Hi, my name is Derek Schultz. I'm the artist behind The Fossil Record, which is a series of 5 animations currently on display at the NFT Gallery. And this is a little behind the scenes on how I made these films. So each of them start as a StyleGAN XL model. StyleGAN is a machine learning model. It was trained on about 6,000 images that I hand curated and cleaned up myself. Once they've been trained, I then create these little animations. To train one of these models takes about a month and a half on a couple GPUs that I currently have. The animations are then turned into outlines using a computer vision process called Canny. Those outlines are then converted into various different mediums for each animation. So LiDAR is the first animation. It's purely digital. All it does is convert those Canny outlines into colors and then creates the trailing effect. And it has sort of that 80s computer look. Etched in Stone is actually etched into 16mm film. Using a vinyl cutter, I cut into found footage. So the footage you're seeing is a mix of home movies, educational films, random scraps from previous projects. The animation is then etched into that, rescanned by my friends at Mono no Aware, and then cleaned up again for the final digital output. Carbon dating is actually drawn on a pen plotter. So an old 90s pen plotter using a language called HPGL. I wrote some scripting to convert my line images from Canny into this language. So then those things are plotted. Some of them are drawn over images themselves, rescanned, and then turned into an animation. Extinction rate is the same process with a little bit of additional thing. The actual animation is thrown in there, and then those are created on cyanotype. So a cyanotype sits outside in the sun for 15 to 30 minutes. Then you wash it and you dry it, and then it gets rescanned in. So I think there's about 80 pages of cyanotype in order to make this animation. And the last one is artist interpretation. This is actually a multiple pass laser print. So you print one of the colors, pull them all out, sort of shuffle the paper a little bit, run the second pass, and that creates this sort of slightly offset risograph look. Some of these are printed on paper materials that I've collected throughout the past couple years. Again, they're on display at NFT Gallery through July. I hope you enjoy them, and if there's anything else I can explain about the process, let me know. Thanks.